Neno, mwana way for me. Neno, mwana way for me. Neno,
my princess, hold on.
What is it? No, what is it? What do you want?
And what are you still doing in this palace? You ought to have gone since my brother you were brought in here to be his wife has slipped through your fingers. Leave!
Yeah. I'm sorry, you know. He lied to me. It was all lies.
And you sheepishly believed him. Girl, you're such a fool. I know my brother better than you. You were supposed to believe in me. You were supposed to follow my instruction. You decided to do things your own way. Now go ahead.
Come on. Osinachi, please. You're my friend. You know, your brother told me he had nothing with that girl. So how was I supposed to know they were having a thing? Please don't turn your back at me. You need to help me now.
Melody, leave me alone. You first turn your back on us. Now it's my turn. You blew up your chances. Except you go find wherever he has run to with that slave girl. That's the only chance of you becoming his wife. Until then, this palace is about getting too hot for you. I suggest you leave immediately. Do not wait for me to come back and see you.
My queen, I'm so sorry. I never knew I was such a fool. I just realized that now, please. I beg you. Please forgive me.
You just realized you've been a fool? Aww. My dear, don't you ever say you just realized you've been a fool. Because you're still a fool. Yes.
Right?
For you to be in this palace when you ought to be out there looking for your man.
Where? Where do I start from?
Oh, you don't know where to start from?
Yes.
Start from Ugwonyama or Milking Hill.
But I don't even know where Ugwonyama is or Milking Hill. Where is that? Where is the place? I'm not familiar with this place.
Then you can ask questions. Or better still, make a research. Okay? Make a research.
Okay. Okay, my queen, so I have to go search for him, right?
The choice is yours. See, I am not happy with you. And I would not have any conversation whatsoever with you. Now leave my sight.
Oh my God. Where do I go from? Kanayo, oh, it just hurts me so much. Oh. Where do I go from here?
Yes. It's just
this life is full of us. No one is too little to be ignored. And you need never fool. So bring back the equality, abolish the slavery and segregation. Makanini never fool. We are one now. We are one now. I need never fool. We are one now. We are one now. We are one now. I need never fool. Let's stop the segregation, let's stop the discrimination, and let's love only.
You're back. Welcome. How did it go? I'm fine.
Where is that stupid girl?
You mean Melody?
Of course, the only stupid girl in this palace.
She's gone.
Gone to where?
In search of your brother, of course. I told her to leave here and never return until she finds him.
Better for her. Because I've already fashioned out ways to deal with her. Frustrate her to a point that she'll be so uncomfortable and leave this palace without anybody chasing her.
That girl is a bunch of disappointment.
Big one, mother. Big one. I think I even suggested her to you.
And you know what? When all this is over, she will never be the right bride for my son. Never.
Exactly my thought, mother. Because it's obvious she's such a weakling. She can't control him.
Exactly.
For my brother to have planned all that under her nose without her finding out? No way. She's a weak woman. Exactly. My brother is a stubborn goat. We need to plant a trusted, strong woman who can control him in his life.
You're right. She doesn't know she had lost my son.
She should go be with someone else, not my brother. Mother, after this, we are done with her.
We are done already. She can't come back here. She's gone for good.
I can't remember sending for you, Zamaka.
Greetings, my princess. My princess, please, I came to see you.
For what?
You see, my princess,
Speak!
Honestly, I don't know how I'm going to tell you about this. But for the sake of our friendship, I decided to let you know about how I feel for your brother. The prince. I think I am in love with him.
No. You didn't say that. No, that didn't come out from your mouth. What did I actually hear you say now?
Please.
No. What did you just say?
I said that I am in love with your brother. Please, it's genuine. I'm not pretending about it.
Hey. Uzamaka, you must be mad. No, you are sick in the head. Because that is the only explanation for this rubbish you just vomited before me. How dare you? You are in love with who? My brother, a royalty, a royal crown prince. Really? Zamaka, no, you've got balls. Like, seriously.
I thought you are my friend. I have always had your back in this palace. Please, you have to do this for me.
Uzamaka, for addressing me as your friend, let thunder, brimstone, and lightning strike you dead immediately. No, you must be mad. Me, royalty, your friend. No way, never. I can never be friends with a gutter girl like you. Girl from the trenches talking about being friends with royalty. You must be out of your mind, girl. You really are out of your mind. Yes. Wait a minute. You actually sat down in your delusional dream island and imagined yourself of being in love or being the girlfriend of a crown prince, my brother. Zamaka, do you know I can actually have your head for that? To you? I bet you don't know.
Princess, please, I beg you. I am in love with your brother. I swear to God. Please do this for me.
Hey!
Please.
Now get out.
Get
out.
I'm sorry.
Get out.
Can I? Get sorry.
And listen, I am coming for you. I am coming for you. How dare you?
Only if I can get the information about where that bastard is living, I will personally sniff life out of her. What about the maids? Don't you think they might know her whereabouts? You know they used to be friends.
Mother, why are you so worried about a nobody? Like, why are you talking about that low life right now? She should be the least of our problem as far as I'm concerned. Our most concern right now should be how to get my brother back. She look, arrange someone to bring him back, someone that can distract him from that lady and, you know, bring him back to us. That should be our main concern, not some low life whose life is as good as useless. Please.
With your brother's stubbornness, do you think he can accept any girl who will bring for him? He will not accept it. I know him.
Mom. It's true that he's not into women, yeah? But I'm telling you, not when he sees a flashy, pretty girl. Yeah. I actually made a mistake by going for Melody. Melody isn't really the girl I thought she is. So this time around, I'm already planning on bringing in a posh girl. Someone very irresistible. Just by him hearing her voice alone will turn him on. I know what I'm doing. I'm already on it. I'm halfway on it. So you calm down and watch me do things my way. And I promise you this time around, no fumbling. I have it under control. I won't mess up. I promise you.
So this property belongs to a friend of mine, but he's not in Nigeria at the moment. A very good friend. More like I'm in charge of it. You said you want to start small. You want to have a little shop first, or like a kiosk. You don't want to rush into having a supermarket. That's what I want to set up for you. It's okay, if it's your choice. So I'm thinking we can set up a shop for you here. Choose anywhere around here. I'll set up a shop for you, more like a kiosk, you know. I'll get a carpenter to do like a table for you and chairs. Then I'll get people to supply the food stuff. So.
Thank you so much, my prince. You're such an amazing person. May God reward you abundantly.
Amen.
Thank you. I appreciate.
Amen. May God bless you too.
Amen.
Okay. I'd like you to go back to school. Yes, it's very important. Education is key. I don't want you to miss it. So once they start registration for WAEC, let me know. I'll give you money so you can register. Yes. Once you do that, you start lessons. I'd like you to write WAEC once. I don't want you to do it twice.
Hey, God. I have seen God, oh. I have seen God. Thank you so much. In fact, I know how people pray and fast every day so that they will finally meet God when they die. But look at me. I am fortunate and privileged to meet God while I'm still here. God, thank you. You are my God. Thank you so much.
Please, I am not God. Don't liken me to God.
No, but no, you are. He has walked in my life with you so much. Ever since you came into my life, you turned my existence around for good. You are my God. Thank you. May God Almighty bless you. Hey,
God has blessed me already, and I know God will continue to bless you.
Amen.
You know, God will bless me as well. But I am not God, okay? I believe God is using me to work for you.
And you allowed him. Thank you. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Thank you.
It's okay. So you have this whole space. Maybe not that side, but
Hey,
from
I
here
would like
to
to set up here.
this one, yeah.
My friends, so is it safe to say that you are in love with that girl?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know? There must be a reason. Huh? There must be a reason for doing all that you have been doing for her. Tell me, what is the reason, my man?
I don't have any reason. Must I have a reason before I help someone, a helpless person? I don't have any reason.
prince, there must be a reason. Huh? Do you know the magnitude of what you have done for that girl? The house, the shop, so many things. There must be a reason. Just reason it very well. You know that there is a reason somewhere.
I don't have any reason. Or you come and beat me. Beat me for not having any reason. I don't have a reason. Yeah.
Wow. How can one begin to imagine that there is no reason for all these things you've been doing for her? Eh? How is it possible that someone will be doing all these things to somebody that you have not even seen her nakedness? Not to talk of... Apologies, my prince. Sorry.
I don't have any reason. I said it before. You know, this world will be a better place when we stop expecting anything in return from anyone we help, especially those who are helpless. You want to help someone, go ahead and help the person. Don't expect anything in return. God will pay you back. If you don't believe in God, nature will pay you back. That's how it should be.
My prince.
Idikweguro. Akunwafo sukwa Iyke.
My prince Idikweguro.
Iyke akunwafo. No reason.
We will still know the reason.
I believe you know the level of poverty your parents are into right now. Your father is suffering from hypertension that needs constant medication to stay alive. And your mother is in a huge debt, to the extent that she receives insults on a daily basis from the people she borrowed money from. So you see, my dear, if I should relieve you of your duty right now, your parents will be doomed because they solely depend on you.
Please, my queen, I beg you. Please, my queen, I beg of you.
I will give you ₦1,000,000 naira if you can tell me the whereabouts of the slave girl.
My queen, do you mean Ihoma?
Absolutely.
I swear, my queen, I've not seen her since the first hospital. The prince took her away from there, and he didn't tell me where he was taking her to.
Look at how those lies sounded like truth. But they are all lies.
I swear to you, my queen, I swear, it is the truth.
Get close to my son. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, my queen.
You know what is at stake? Your job.
My queen, if I find out where the prince is keeping her, I'll come and tell you personally.
Did my son, the prince, in any way mention the whereabouts of the slave girl?
Slave girl, slave girl, slave girl, slave girl, slave girl. My queen, are you talking about Ihoma? Is it Ihoma? Oh, apologies, I'm sorry, my queen. I don't know anything.
Of course you wouldn't know anything. Dummy.
Are you serious? So I'm not a dummy? I'm sorry, man. I don't know anything, man. Yeah, I'll say dummy. I'm not supposed to know anything.
You mean he didn't tell you anything?
My queen, you are asking me this question too much. Am I supposed to be discussing with the prince? Are we mates? My queen, no level. How can a nobody like me be discussing with the prince? The discussion.
I should have known better not to discuss with a moron like you.
I'm sorry, ma.
Nonsense.
I'm sorry.
If I know anything about Iheme, I will come and tell you. Obu madon nago, so that you look for a way and pipi boya. Don't blame you. You're calling me a dummy. You know I'm a dummy, and you are here to ask me questions.
This life is full of us. No one is too little to be ignored. And you need never fool. So bring back the equality. Abolish the slavery.
Thank you.
Thank you, eh?
Thank you.
Come again next time, oh.
Customer.
Good morning.
Get one.
Fine. Give me a 50 naira.
Okay.
One sugar. Akara 100 naira.
Akara.
Yeah, when you 50 naira the last time.
Yes, I remember.
Where's the sugar?
Sugar is there.
50 naira.
Oh, this one?
Yes.
One, eh? One.
Yes. Pujara, who one for me?
It's like Jara, this is my customer. Here they quite hard.
Thank you. God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you.
So eyes closed? Are you sure it's properly closed? Okay, open it.
Hey! Wow! For me? Come on.
Oh my God!
What? If I... Match me.
Oh my God!
Just relax. You know what? Got to find you. Wow.
Oh my God.
What? Man. What? Yes. Yes. Wow. What? Me. Let me go and see the car.
Oh my God.
What? Yeah. What? Me? Thank you. What? Thank you.
No, you don't need to. Can I have my shoes, please?
Yes.
I don't get it. How is it possible that the prince is doing all these things for her without any emotional attachment? It's hard to believe.
I doubt. But that doesn't mean people can't help without having anything attached to it. You know? Like, there's still good people in this world, you know?
I know. I understand your point. Just that it's hard to believe.
Let's just say he's still waiting for the right time. Because for more indications, there is no other girl that we know him with, if not Iheme.
I pray it works.
because that girl has suffered so much in this palace.
Otago.
Maybe that's how God wants to change her life. Because she didn't choose to become an Osu. So it's not her fault now.
Oh, I just wish they abolish that nonsense. Honestly. I just wish. But if they don't, I will make sure that Ozamaka suffers. I will make sure she suffers here. I don't even know why I don't want us to expose her true identity.
Please just leave that girl. Let's not pay evil with evil. Maybe with time she will change. Let's just pray she changes. Just leave that girl. Just leave her. Amaka, leave her. Leave her.
Okay, Adiba.
Leave her. I'm done with your hair. Do you like it? Check now.
Where do you think you're going to? Where did they go?
Excuse me? Don't you know who I am?
Who are you?
I said, don't you know me?
What do you mean by don't you know you? Must I know you? No, must I know you? Make I tell you, see, me knowing you depends on how important you are to this palace. You hear me? Apart from people who employ me for this palace, the next people who they important for this life now people where they save where, people where they give new money. In a POS, you they do POS. Why you go there important to me? Be very careful, oh. What is it? What are you doing here?
Is that your form of greetings or what?
I know they always greeting, madam.
Look, I will have the queen punish you for this.
That is if you can see the queen now. Now if you go see the queen, madam, if you get anything to say it. I know they like it too much noise.
I came to see the queen. So can I go in now and tell her of your stupidity and how foolish you are?
Hey, you don't talk to me like that. No, you do not talk to me like that. Don't try it. If anybody is stupid now, are you? Yes, if anybody is stupid, it's you. Yes, now. Because the last time you came to this place, the queen already said that your relationship with her, your friendship, everything has been cancelled. Why are you now coming to this place up and down?
What is really going on here? Are you drunk or something? Are you schizophrenic?
Now you be that Christopher. That Christopher where you talk now, are you? No, am I drunk or something? You are seeing this place as beer parlor now? This place looks like bar to you. That's why person when come royal person come out from this place, you have mind to say, are you drunk? Now here then they can't drink, Abby. Something they worry you. See, I need to advise you, this woman. You see, in this life, always go to where you are celebrated, not where you are tolerated. They don't tolerate you here too much, and they cannot tolerate your excesses again.
Look, I have a very vital information for the queen. So can I go in and see her?
Vital phone, oh yeah. Come rush enter now. Like, come rush enter. Something they worry you. Madam, if you want to give Queen any information, give me now. Let me relate it to her.
I will have to give her myself, not you.
You're not alright. Oh yeah, come and enter. Come on, get away from here because I'm even being camp to you. Get out from here.
I'm sure the Queen is not aware of this foolish attitude you are displaying here. She's not aware.
You don't insult me. Oh. If you insult me now, you will see. Don't try it. Oh. If you try, I will change it for you here. Nah, I'm nothing. Come, get away.
Open this guy, let me go and see the queen.
Informant. Every time you are carrying fake news up and down.
What's wrong with this madman? I don't blame you. I know your face. I will deal with you. No, wait, I will deal with you. I know you. I will deal with
you. No, I know here.
Hope you're enjoying it.
Yes, oh, Hi. If I tell you I am not happy for you, call me a fool. I am 100% happy for you. Hi. Do you know this is a miracle? Who would believe that the crown prince would do such a thing for a commoner like you? Hi. What a miracle. Uzokwor.
My dear, it all happened like a dream. I'm telling you the truth. Do you know he wanted to open a supermarket for me? Big one. I was even the one that told him to hold on. You know the way those people maltreated me in the palace? They killed my self-worth, my confidence. So I told him to hold on, let me build my confidence so I'll be able to handle the supermarkets.
Hi.
Can happy body the economy. You know, business is all about return of investment.
So I'm alive. I am alive to witness such a thing. Hi. Go, Kiki. You don't know Tito. Huh? So when is the prince coming? Maka marriage, when is the marriage coming up?
There is no marriage.
How?
I said there is no marriage.
I don't understand. Leave that in. I know that by now the committee of friends, the marriage committee, they must have been getting ready. And I go my hand does it, my quaka.
Wait first. How did you know this place? Because I don't want any other person in that palace to know where I am.
Don't worry. You man know I told Amaka and Chidemma that if I will ever allow them to leave that palace to come and see you, they have to tell me where you are. So, and I promised them not to let anyone know. You know, I can never expose that to anyone. Ha! If you see the way the queen and the princess are struggling to know where you are, even here na advocacy, say, they want to know where you are. Iheme. Are they possible?
Don't tell them. Please. Well, you're one of the few I trust in that palace. You've always been nice to me. Sometimes I just ask God, what have I done to deserve this favor? I have not done anything for the prince, so he just decided to help me and change my life. Look at me now.
Meanwhile, my dear, there is this appeal I want to make. You know, in case of incasity, like peradventure, the prince did not marry you. Maybe one or two will happen now, and the prince did not marry you. Remember me, I'm there. Use me as backup. You know, it's not like you have been noticing that I love you too. I have this small attachment to these feelings too that I'm just growing for you.
Eat your akara and your yam. Let me go and get busy with my work.
You've
not paid me. I want them.
I want you say they go get. I thought you used this one to say welcome.
It's okay, you can have that one. Do you want to?
Hey, what a crab boy with an eye.
Neno, mwana way for me. Neno, mwana way for me.
I don't get it. Why would he do all these things for me and still yet to touch me? Does it mean I'm not good enough for him or what? It's confusing because I know there must be a reason he singled me out to show me this level of kindness. But if he can't tell me, then I don't know.
Oh my God, please. Can you stop?
You seem so happy today. What's the secret?
Well, that is because your daughter is getting married.
Really? To who? I thought you were having issues with your man.
Was now settled. And he has proposed. Yes.
What? Whoa, this is pure AO. So beautiful, it's fine.
Thank you.
Who bought the ring? You or him?
Please don't be ridiculous, mother. Does it really matter who bought the ring? The most important thing is that your daughter is getting married. You should be happy for me.
Of course I am. I am happy that my daughter is getting married. Who wouldn't be? It's the joy of every mother. Because I've not seen you this happy for a long while. I'm so happy for you, my child.
Thank you, Mom.
I hope he's someone you can trust.
Yes, 100%, Mom.
That's nice.
Mom, I'm getting married to a man that loves me so much, appreciates me, and understands how to treat me like a proper queen that I am.
Oh, that's nice. So what are you still waiting for? He should come with his people and do the right thing.
Mother, you don't have to be in a hurry. Of course, he's going to come.
I can't wait.
And preparations are on their way already.
I can't wait. Why don't we go to the sitting room and make merry? Daughters for celebration. My own daughter, my princess, is getting married. What are you? Oh, girl, I love you so much. So we go.
Do you know that till now, the prince is still shutting me out? Even his stupid sister, my so-called friend, said I shouldn't mention anything about my feelings for her brother to her. Can you imagine?
Amaka, did you dress seductive before the prince? I mean, exposing all these things you are carrying, both front and back. Huh?
Isona, I did everything possible. I'm telling you the honest truth. In fact, what remains is for me to go stark naked before the prince.
Are you serious? Wait. But who could have resisted a beautiful damsel like you? How? This massive endowment. Oh my God. No, how did you go for?
Brother, it's frustrating. Honestly, at this point I am confused. I think I wish I know what to do. I wish I know what to do. I wish I can locate the idiot that has stolen his attention. It's you. See, this is the only opportunity we have. What do we do?
I know. I believe you, my love. Oh, you see, you really need to calm down. Okay? Don't worry, because right now, we have to go and have fun. Because what they go, I've been missing you. I'm missing your touches, man.
I miss you too.
Oh my God, I can't wait. See, I don't even understand how somebody will resist this. I'm going wait for mom.
Let's go this side.
Sharp now. Here we go.
This life is full of us. No one is too little to be ignored. And you need never fool. So bring back the equality. Abolish the slavery and segregation. Makanini never fool. We are one now. We are one now. I need never
fool. Izuna, why are you following me now? Why are you following me?
Be careful, Onyeka. Be very careful. Who is following you?
See, I don't like it though. Mind your evil business and stop following me. See, I won't tell you what you want to hear. I won't tell you what you want to hear, Izuna. Leave me alone.
Nana, wanna wait for me. 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 They go out, they go out, you know, come, This life is full of us. No one is too little to be ignored. And you need never fool. So bring back the equality. Abolish the slavery and segregation. Makanini never fool.
You didn't go to your shop today?
No, my prince, I'm not feeling too well.
but I've taken drugs.
Oh, would you like me to take you to a hospital?
Not at all. It's not all that serious. You know, this Hamatan weather comes with different types of sickness.
Oh, yes. Very, very uncomfortable period for a lot of people. Yeah. Incidentally, it's my best time of the year.
Oh, really?
Yes, I love the weather. Yeah. Concerning your education, you'll be starting the extramural classes next week in preparation for your WAEC examination.
Thank you, you're such a nice... Sorry, thank you so much, my prince. Thank you. You're giving me the opportunity to be educated. Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you.
I have to go now. I see. What is it?
Prince, I'm not feeling too well. I'm feeling feverish. Could you please help me to lie down?
I'll send you some money so you can go to the hospital and get proper treatment. I'll do it once I leave. I'll see you next week, okay?
Next week?
Yes. Bye-bye.
If you put your hand here again, if you try it again, come on, son. I said, well, in fact, kneel down. I said, you kneel down. Kneel down. Come on, be quiet. Be quiet.
What's wrong with you? Why are you beating her? Why are you beating her? What's wrong with you?
She's an Osu. A slave child.
You are the one who's a slave. You're the one who's caught. Will you stop it? If she was your sister, would you beat her like this? With a chain? Are you drunk?
I have the right to beat any Osu in this our community.
Ezuruonye, you have no right to beat anybody. Stop it. Hey, get up. Get up and go. I said go.
The king must hear this. The king must hear this.
And who do you think I am? I'm the prince for God's sake. Get up and get up.
This life is full of us. No one is
too
to be ignored. So bring back the equality, abolish the slavery and segregation. Makanini never fool. We are one now. We are one now. I never fool.